Yes, one more important that the previous question is square of any positive integers. Now use Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now let 8 be our, that means that is common process by Euclid division lemma. Let 8 be our positive integers and b is equal to 3. Why here write b is equal to 3? No need to write a is equal to b is equal to 9. If you write b is equal to 9, the remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 8 we have to write. The problem is complicated. We can do but it is complicated. Why? Since 9 is a multiple of 3, we can write instead of 9, we can write 3. So that's why b is equal to 3. Now if you write b is equal to 3, what are the possible reminders? Now the possible reminders are what are the possible reminders? 0, 1 and 2. Why? Because what is the condition? 0 is less than or equal to r and less than b. So that's why the possible reminders are 0, 1 and 2. Now we see the problem. Now first a is equal to bq plus r. Now a is equal to bq plus r, that is called as equation number 1. Now first put r is equal to 0 the remainder. But what is b? B is equal to 3. R is equal to 3 and r is equal to 0 and b is equal to 3. Therefore a is equal to bq. Bq means 3q plus 0. R is 0. Therefore a is equals to 3q. But what is the question? Cube of any positive integer. So that's why cubing on both sides. So that's why by cubing a cube is equals to 3q whole cube. But what is 3q whole cube? 27 cube. Therefore a cube is equals to 27 cube can be written as 9 of 3 cube. Put 3 cube is equals to some m. So what is your answer? First a cube is equals to 9m. A cube is equals to 9m. So first remainder 0, 1. Next it is also just you have to verify that the other remainders 1 and 2. Now second one you see, put r is equal to 1. Now r is equals to 1 implies a is equals to bq plus r. Bq plus r means 3q plus what is remainder here? R is equal to 1. Now again by cubing. Now by cubing on both sides. Now it becomes a cube is equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. 3q plus 1 whole cube. But 3q plus 1 whole cube is in the form a plus b whole cube. What is the formula for a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that's why if you substitute that, let 3q be small a and 1 is small b. Therefore a cube is equals to, now substitute a plus b whole cube formula. A cube, that is 3q whole cube plus 3a square b. 3 into a square is 3q whole square into b, that is 1, plus 3ab square. 3 into 3q into b square, 1 square, plus b cube, that is 1 cube. Of course 1 cube is equal to 1. Now that a cube is equals to 3q whole cube, that is 27 cube plus 3 into 3q whole square. 3q whole square is 9q square plus 3q into 1, that is 3q. 3 3s are 9q plus 1 cube is 1. Now a cube is equals to, if you common 9, it becomes 3q plus, again 9 already common, remaining 3q square plus 9 common, that is q, what is remaining? Plus 1. Let 3q plus 3q square plus q be m, let it be. Therefore it becomes what? A cube is equals to 9m plus 1. A cube is equals to 9m plus 1. By taking that remainder, r is equal to 1. Now again another reminder, r is equal to 2 implies. Now r is equals to 2 implies a is equals to bq plus r, that is 3q plus 2, r means 2. Again by cubing on both sides. Again same formula, cubing means a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Therefore by cubing a cube is equals to first a cube 3q whole cube plus a cube plus 3a square b, 3 into 3q whole square into b is 2 plus 3ab square, a is 3 cube, b square is 2 square, 3ab square plus b cube is 2 cube, b cube is 2 cube. Therefore a cube is equals to 3q whole cube 27q cube plus 3 into 3q whole square 9q square into 2, 9q square into 2 plus 3 3s are 9q into 2 square is 4 plus 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. Therefore a cube is equals to 27q cube plus 3 9s are 27. 27 2s are 54q square plus 9 4s are 36q plus 8. 36q plus 8. Therefore a cube is equals to, now if you common 9 of 3q cube plus 9 6 are 6q square plus 9 4 into q 4q plus remaining 8. Again let this total be m. It becomes what? A cube is equals to 9m plus 8. 9m plus 8. So that means if you substitute remainder r is equal to 0, we'll get that by cubing a cube is equal to 9m. If you substitute r is equal to 1, remainder by cubing already we got that 9m plus 1. And if you substitute remainder r is equal to 2, by cubing on both sides, we get a cube is equal to 9m plus 8. So by using this Euclid division lemma, then what we proved? Therefore, to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.